dance starter time. We're going to share with you a brand new move called and 5, and this is going to be the 4th version of this, I believe, but it's very cool, never shown before. Hope you like it. Give us a thumbs up. Don't give us a thumbs down. You don't want Grace coming after you. Whole way through. Let me show you. Sugar push first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, and finish. 11, 12, bum, bum, bum. It's very cool. Got a lot going there, okay? But I have done a lot of moves where you do the 5th count, where you accentuate that move. First, we're going to get to that 5th count. So, on a sugar push, you get into a whip count to 4. Guys, off the track. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm on my left foot on 4. Grace is on her right foot, okay? So we'll go front to back. So you get off the track 1, 2. 1, 2. She does coaster 3 and 4. Guys, get back on the track. So you're now in front of her. We're going to keep going. Let's go this way. We're going to get to 4 and we're going to stop. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm taking 2 steps for 1 beat of music. So this is fast. So we're going to go now and 5. And 5. So what did I switch hands? My left hand is now under her right. And I take the other hand, I really don't need it. So we're going to go 1, 2, and stop 3 and 4. Switch hands. And 5. So I'm leaning into her on 5. Back on her right foot is Grace, and I'm on my left foot. From there we change a lot. So let's go again a little bit quicker. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. You need this left hand, guys, underneath her shoulder, or underneath her arm, or you won't make it work. Because now what we're going to do is 2 triple steps, taking her down the track. So you're turning her, guys, you're backing up while she's moving forward. We're doing 2 of them. So we're just going to do 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Alright? So guys, as you're turning her, see how Grace has her arms up. Followers of your arms down, you're going to have these bumping, weird connections. So anytime you feel a connection near the shoulders, underneath the arms, just keep your arms up to get them out of the way. So we're going to get to 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to go and 5. Pull her up on 6, and we're going to stop. Now I'm going to turn her to her left. Take my right hand, bring her forward. So I'm pulling, stepping back, but this time I now have my hand on the other side. And just going to do it again, turning her to her right. So we did 2 of them to get down the track a little further. If you want to do more, you can, if you got the room. You got to do them in even numbers, or your feet aren't going to work. So we're going to add the 2 walks with 2 ends in here. 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Turner, step back, and I step back. Okay, then from there I just want to finish. I turn her left, and she gave me the hand.
On accident.
She didn't mean to do that. That's okay. So guys, you want to turn her twice. Then the second one, she's going to feel the difference because you're physically going to turn her and turn her lower back further. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Turn her once, turn her twice. And this time I'm going to turn her and give her a little push in case you don't have the room back down track. So as she's traveling, you got to keep her, pull her, and turn her. It's tough to do. Last time. But I hope you like it. This is Grace. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. I do a triple. Then I turn her and give her a little push. Just at the end, she may think we're doing more. But you really want to do 2. Don't do any more now. That's my opinion. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Miss Grace is repping Cancun Cantina. I'm going to put the link to that location down below. Check it out. Cool place in Maryland. So, hope you like it. Thumbs up, subscribe. Mean a great deal to me and Miss Grace as she pantomimes that. So have a great week. Until next time, as always.
Have fun. Keep dancing. See you all next week.